Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I'm asked almost every single day, when should I replace my iPhone battery due to the battery health? What's a good time to replace it at? What percentage? And I wanted to show you when you should replace it and when it's time to just swap that battery out and bring it back up to full power. And this phone just experienced a shutdown. You'll see right here it says this iPhone has experienced an unexpected shutdown because the battery was unable to deliver the necessary peak power. Performance management has been applied to help prevent this from happening again. So what that means is this phone has been slowed down because it wasn't able to provide the amount of power needed. That means the battery has degraded. So we'll go to settings, and then if we go to battery, and then we go to battery health, you'll see it says 88%. And it says this iPhone has experienced an unexpected shutdown, peak performance capability, but there's still an issue here. I would say that if you get that message, then is the time to actually replace it. You can see Apple here says phone batteries, like all rechargeable batteries, are consumable components that become less effective as they age. This is when you want to get it replaced. And there's multiple ways to get this replaced. The easiest way is just to bring it to an Apple store, but you're going to pay anywhere from about $50 to $70 to have them replace the battery. However, you're guaranteed a good battery. You can also get them at third-party places, which I'll link in the description below, places like iFixit or Amazon, where you can replace it yourself. And in most of these phones, it's pretty simple and straightforward. On this one, it's 2 screws, put a suction cup on the front, pop it up, and there's a couple connectors under here, and you're good to go. And that's really all there is to it. Then you'll be back up to peak performance. It will perform like it did before, and you'll have longer battery life like it was new again. So that is when you should replace it. Ignore this number until it reboots and tells you that the peak performance isn't capable because it's shut down. So it says performance management has been applied to help prevent this from happening again. Now I can disable this by tapping this disable and it will speed back up. But if it shuts down, it may just turn off while I'm using it. So they'll apply this slowness to it until it actually is replaced, and I can disable it. Now I'm back to peak performance, but the phone could unexpectedly shut down again, and it hopefully won't do that, but that's really when I should consider replacing the battery. Let me know if you've had your battery replaced or if you plan to replace it, and hopefully that helps you out if you were wondering when you should do that. If you have any other questions or comments, let me know in the comments below. I'll link this wallpaper as I always do. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.